Hello, friends. Welcome to Easy English Daily. Today, we will learn easy English together. Please listen carefully and repeat slowly. My morning. I wake up early in the morning. The morning is calm and fresh. I open my eyes and smile. I feel thankful for a new day. First, I get out of bed. I wash my face with clean water. Then I brush my teeth slowly. I like to keep myself clean. After that, I take a bath. I wear clean clothes. Clean clothes make me feel good and confident. Breakfast time. Then I go to the kitchen. My family is there. We sit together and eat breakfast. I eat simple and healthy food. Good food gives me energy. Energy helps me work and study well. I always say thank you after eating. Good manners are very important. Study and learning. After breakfast, I start my work or study. Learning is very important in life. I try to learn something new every day. I read books slowly. I listen carefully. I practice English daily. English helps me talk to people. English helps me understand the world. Learning English makes me confident. Friends and kindness. I meet my friends during the day. We talk politely. We help each other. If someone is sad, I try to help. Helping others makes me happy. Kind words are very powerful. I always speak the truth. I respect my parents, teachers, and elders. Respect makes us good humans. Play and relax. After work or study, I take some rest. I play games or walk outside. Playing is good for the body and mind. I do not waste too much time. Time is very valuable. I use my time wisely. Evening and night. In the evening, I go back home. I spend time with my family. We talk and laugh together. At night, I eat dinner. I thank God for the day. I think about good things. Before sleeping, I feel calm. I close my eyes with a smile. I sleep early and peacefully. Final message. Motivation. Every day is a new chance. Small steps bring big success. Good habits build a good life. Practice English every day. Speak slowly and clearly. Do not be afraid of mistakes. You can learn English. You can improve every day. Believe in yourself. Thank you for watching Easy English Daily. Subscribe for daily easy English lessons and start improving your English today.